Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create an edit on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do, make sure that you already installed the CapCut application. You just need to check it. If you are on the home screen, just slide your home screen to the left side until you go into the app library. In this app library, type CapCut. Okay, if there is no application appear here, means that you haven't installed it. Just go into the app store and go install the CapCut application. But since I already installed it, let's just open it by clicking. And now this is the look whenever you already open the CapCut application. To create an edit, you just need to go click a new project to create new project. Whenever you click the new project, you will have an access into the sources, video sources on your phone. So this is the collection of the video that you have on your phone. If you want to edit the photo, just go into the photo and you will have an access to use or choose the photo collection on your phone. But if you have no videos or good videos to edit, you can just go into the stock videos. In the stock videos, there will be 1,000 videos that already provided by the CapCut for you to use to edit the video. Okay, and whenever you already find the best video that you want to add, you just need to go click this add button. And now you already have a project as well as the video, and now you are ready to start editing. To start edit the video, you just need to use all of the features and tools that provided by the CapCut in this down here. You just need to explore by just click every part of it and find out your needs to edit this video. So that's the way how to create an edit in a CapCut. If you find this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.